Okay, we've fixed the issue, intermediate issue of when we wiggle this dial, I think. If we ground this, this red wire is our grounding, issue goes away. So I'm going to put a grounding wire on there. That should fix it. There must be something up here that normally grounds it, which is just making strange contacts. Second issue was down here. This is in the coil pack. It's normally got a shield over the top of it, so we wouldn't have seen it before. That's the shield. But inside here, this wire here, this is the back of the coil pack. This was just loose on this terminal, but it's making contact sometimes and not other times. So the whole lot, when it got wiggled, just was on and off. So yeah, need to put a wire between this point and this point. Possibly just ground this this plate here. And by the way, the noise we can hear here. This is medium wave at the moment. There's some horrendous interference here in these blocks of flats. I don't know where it's coming from. It's not coming from within my flat, but it's only really on the bottom of the medium wave band. I don't know where it's come from, but it's very frustrating. When I'm listening to Radio Caroline, which is also down the bottom part of the medium wave, I get this pulsating noise all the time. I don't know what it is. We don't seem to have any car chargers in the car park, but I don't know what it is. It sounds like a charger of some kind, but I can't pinpoint it. It could be anywhere, and I think it's coming through the mains. Well, what a pain this radio has been.
Address that public concern without fueling prejudice and collective blame against immigrant communities, because you would have seen what happened in Belfast when it's been very clearly stated, including by the Secretary of State for Northern Ireland, that he thought that the violence that was taking place, he called it racist thuggery because it was targeting people because of the colour of their skin. Are you concerned about that? Well, of course.
So we're trying to adjust the reactance. Unfortunately, we've got this annoying pulsating noise as well. Where it's coming from, I don't know. So there we've got too much. There's too much reactance. There you go. That's either Radio 5 Live or TalkSport.
Sunday morning, live from Boston. Zachary Sawyer, Joe Shannon, and Mark McGee with Haiti against Scotland. That's followed by Australia against Turkey at 5 a.m. with Alan Breen. Time for a sleep and maybe some Sunday lunch. 6 p.m. Sunday night, we'll get our first look at Germany and also our first ever look at Curacao. That game in Houston. I'll be alongside Martin Kieran for that one. And then a very interesting game at 9 o'clock. The Netherlands against Japan. Both teams have been spoken about.
I don't think the speaker in here is all that good. I suspect some of the capacitors are shot, so... I'm just finding foreign stations as well in here, so... Still got the annoying hack on here, so when we change bands, it's reversed around. If we go over to long wave again, tune into 1500. Well, can't find anything, so we'll tune around there. But as soon as we flip this switch,
because it is a serious
comes in.
Issue, and it is right that we have debates about it. We live in a democracy, and there shouldn't be certain parts of our public policy that we choose to not talk about. A conversation about migration that isn't about people causing these kind of riots and criminal behaviour. This isn't what our country is like. The majority of people in this country are people who absolutely would welcome people from different places to come and live here and be part of our society.
We get one from Amazon. Battery box went in. That was difficult though, because
immigration, and to manage that. And the key thing for us, for example, is we've deported more criminals who are in this country illegally than ever before.
Nice
that is exactly a common sense place where I think we can all find some common ground. But this is also somewhere that a lot of people have called home and have contributed to the society that we all know and love.
It's interesting. It's got loudspeaker.
To do everything we can.
Well,
not
extension
to
loudspeaker terminals. But to try and I don't want to touch those because they're directly from the valve. They're not the other side of the transformer. Speaker transformer.
One of the things that I think is quite upsetting about how asylum seekers are treated in the UK is that they're not allowed to work.
There is a gram input, not really worked out how that works.
By the UK government making it okay to treat people like that, I think they're giving broader permission for people to treat
asylum seekers badly. I wish they could work
and contribute and be part of our community.
There is an issue.
But I don't know what its purpose is, what settings you would use that on.
Now, I don't know if anybody's picked up on this, but Scotland have qualified.
How would you mute the radio? I have no idea.
But look, they put out this great little promotional video today, and it was...
As I say, there's no back on this. I don't know whether this here would have been a screw holder, and I think there's one down.
We're talking about human beings.
No, I thought there was another one somewhere.
We're talking about human beings, and that's why
the sort of back would have went on.
Malcolm Offer talked about strangers. I want to know.
We're talking about 1930s, so they weren't really up on their safety. The other thing, if you go and touch the top cap of that valve, you're touching B+.
Who did not get invited into this country and who does not tell us
that's the B+ wire. So I've hidden the cap and the resistor up in there. So just running a wire down here for the 120 volts. This black and red wire is just our 2 volts from the power supply. Just note that power supply is a linear supply, so it's not switch mode. So I think if it had been switch mode, we'd get all sorts of junk and noise. I would like to,
one of my favorite things about
at some point, try to
build
my own high voltage supply to put in here, and a 2 volt supply. 2 volt supply is really difficult. High voltage isn't so difficult because we can use a doubler or tripler circuit for that. 2 volts, amazingly, is quite difficult to get from mains. Or I'll just leave it like this because I'm probably not going to use this radio much. It's just a showpiece really for when people come around and we'll switch it on and we'll listen to medium wave. Obviously there won't be any long wave, but at least we got it working for long wave.
Public financing of politics, or at least there was a motion to support that.
I'll just give you another look at the case. Actually, I'll turn the high voltage off, and just turn the high voltage off, and then it's on a swivel. It's got its own lazy Susan. Obviously, the wires are going to catch up on the bottom. Just have another look at the front panel in more detail.